Taking in various numeric user data, like contact numbers, age, etc., can often get tricky, but you can do that very easily using WP Fluent Form's numeric field. To do that, just scroll to the numeric field from the General Fields menu and click on it. You can also drag and drop it, or click on the plus icon on your blank form and select Numeric Field from the drop-down menu. Now hover over the numeric field and click on the Edit icon. Set your element label. Decide how you want to place your label: at the top, to the right, or left of the field, or none at all. Labels are shown at the top by default. Define your admin field label. Decide whether this particular field is necessary or not. If you make it required, then customize the error message. Also, set your input range by specifying the min value and max value. In the advanced options, you can also enable calculations. Set your calculation expression in the given field. For detailed instructions on calculations, check out the tutorial link given in the description. For more details on the advanced options, go to the link provided on the description box. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon.